오늘의 영상은 좀 I finished. Hey, it's Aja. I know I talk a lot about consistency and how it's really important to me to get a video out every single Saturday, and obviously this video is not Saturday, it is late. This is a late video. Basically, I've just been a little bit discouraged and a little bit sad, and that does affect my productivity, but I promise to do my best all the time. So that means if it's a Saturday and my video is not there, I am still doing my best. I'm just maybe a little bit sad. It happens. I'm sorry. But with that disclaimer down, let's get on with the video. Just so you know, the use of this animation was just for fun, but if you hate it, please leave a comment and I will never ever use it again. Hey, it's Aja. Today I'm gonna be curling my hair. As you can see, I have some delectable, juicy, beautimous curls right here. And I'm gonna show you how I got those, because today we're proving that locks are versatile. I think I'm gonna do several videos proving that locks can be versatile, but this video is all about the curls. So just stay tuned to see how I achieved these beautiful, voluminous coils. Today, I'm going to be trying something new with my locks. I'm gonna try using a heat tool to curl my locks. The reason I'm doing this is because I often I pretty much don't do anything with my hair ever, but some people have been asking like maybe I could do a styling video. I got somewhere to be, so I needed to be quick. And yesterday I bought a curling iron. It's a super cheap curling iron that I bought for $20. And I'm gonna be using this to try and curl my hair. I haven't used one of these in so many years that I couldn't tell you. I haven't used one of these since I went natural. I had my head shaved in 2013. So I have not used a curling iron since before that, because I wasn't really curling my hair then either. But I'm gonna try. And like I said, I need this to be fast because I actually do have somewhere to be. So yeah, part of the reason I'm trying this is because I want to prove how versatile micro locks or locks in general can be. If you know me personally, I've probably tried to convince you of the benefits of this hairstyle and try to tell y'all you should get like me. And one of the top reasons that I hear for people saying why they don't want to lock their hair is because they want to still be able to do stuff with their hair. And I'm telling you, you can. Well, we'll see. Ooh, this is a little bit scary. A little bit scary, I gotta admit. Okay, so maybe I should do it this way. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Fine. Oh God, I'm already failing. 1, 2, 3, I don't know. I'm gonna come back to that side. Mind you, I did buy the absolute cheapest hair tool I could find. That in itself might have been a mistake. Looks pretty stupid so far. Let's just keep going. You know what I think I'm doing? I think I'm straightening my locks and bumping the ends. I think I'm just straightening the locks and bumping the ends. I just decided that's the goal. It would help if all my locks were actually the same length. Then they would all stick in this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh boy. Okay, I've just made a decision. I have too much hair and I don't want to do this, so I'm just gonna curl the bangs back. I don't have time. Naysayers 1, Aja 0. You guys win, but I did get my little swoop-de-doop, and I like that. And yeah, this is just gonna be the look, I guess. I feel a bit like, you know, like when white people straighten their hair, I used to feel like, why are you straightening your hair? Because it's already straight. But like, I guess it wasn't bone straight, you know? And so now I feel like, oh, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. Like, why straighten my locks that are already straight? Or why curl the ends? Well, they're just a different kind of straight and a different kind of curl. So like, this doesn't completely make no sense. Just trying to justify the fact that I was so proudly claiming the versatility, and like, is it though? Is it? This is not working. I spent $20 on this straightener. That's a lot of money. But I don't have time for that. Like, I really don't. I actually have to be somewhere, and now I'm gonna be late. So, you know, I tried a little ting. It didn't all work, but I look cute anyway. Okay, so bye. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my bathroom. I'm so tired. It is 5:43 in the morning, but I have to work out, so I have to take these rollers out of my hair. So let me briefly explain. The curler, it didn't curl my hair, and I need to prove that I'm right about this, so I'm trying another method. A couple of methods. So in the back of my head here, I have flexi rods. I don't own enough to do flexi rods all over my head, so I just did as many as I could in the back and then filled in the rest with these things. I didn't do them all with these things, even though I have enough of these for my whole head, because they take a long time and they only hold like 6 locks in each one, and I didn't want to spend the whole night putting curlers in my hair. But these can hold a whole bunch, but I don't know if they work or not. So it'll be really awkward if I take all these out and I have a really curly front of my head and straight in the back. But anyways, let's take them down and see what happens. I'm gonna start with the not surprise, because tension? That's not the word. Suspense. So yeah, got really nice curls. These ones give me really nice curls. I knew that. At least the takedown process of these is really easy. One of the points I need to make here, because someone's going to point out the fact that if heat styling didn't work, this is not as versatile as my loose natural hair was. But the thing is, I've never once curled my loose natural hair, and I just bought the cheapest curler off Olive Young that is not necessarily meant for natural black hair. It's meant for Korean straight hair. So I have no idea if that would have worked on my loose natural hair or not, and chances are no, because it's just been my experience that everything that works on my loose natural hair also works on my locks, like such as. Okay, now for the hard part. Let's go ahead and see what curl I got from the flexi rods. I've also never used flexi rods on my loose natural hair, but obviously these should work. So if they don't, I've done something wrong. Okay, there's a curl there for sure. It's not the same curl, but Ooh. Yo, this is almost the same curl. I might have did something. I did something. Look at that. Yo, I'm successful. I'm as successful as beach. I'll tell you what. These fake curl former ones are definitely better. But these Flexi rod ones took so much less time because I could put so many more locks on them. I cannot believe how well this worked. That's crazy. That's mad ting. Mad tings. Uh-oh, that one's not dry. Okay, well, this last one ain't dry, and I know you know I'm not finna put it back in, so that'll be the flat part of my hair. But look, look, not only did that work, but this looks cohesive. Like, hello? All right, so I think I proved that you can totally curl locks. I'm gonna go ahead and separate these. Very proud of this. Like, I knew it would work, but I didn't know it would work this well. So cool. Yes, my locks are versatile. Them hoes can be curled. Is hoes a bad word? Is that a bad word? I promised I would stop cussing on this channel. I don't know if that's a bad word. Someone comment and tell me if that's a bad word. All right, I'm back. I have been to the gym. I have showered with a shower cap on. Kind of. It wasn't a very effective shower cap. But anyways, the point is that my hair has had a chance to get a little bit moister than I would have liked. And so some of the curls have fallen a little bit. But as you can see, my hair is still curly, and that just goes to show that my locks can be curled just as well. I would even argue better than my loose natural hair. And the reason I would say better is because my loose natural hair, it would have poofed by now. It would have just also, I hated Curlformers on my loose natural hair. I did it once and it looked really weird. I never showed that to anyone because it looked strange, but I like it on these. Flexi rods, never tried them. I think I normally just curled my loose natural hair with a twist out or a braid out or a wash and go. Wash and goes were always a mistake. But so you can see, not only was I able to achieve better, less poofy results on my locks, but also it was a lot less time and effort than what it would be with my loose natural hair. So that is score 1 for versatility. It's unfortunate that I couldn't do it with the heat styling tool, but I just don't know that I could have done that on my loose natural hair either. I don't know that it would have worked. somebody will have to send me a fancier, better heat styling tool that should definitely work for loose natural hair, and then I would try that on my locks and see if that can be done. But you know, I'm not gonna buy one. I already spent $20 of waste. Well, not waste. I kind of liked the way my hair looked straightened. But I probably won't do it again, because why? Because my hair be looking good AF without putting in that much effort. Yeah, I guess that's the end of the video. So bye.